All right, it's Wednesday, July 19th, just following up on NVDA. You can see here now we're taking out the intraday lows of the day at 469. Bought some puts up here near the blue line. Scaled out to set up no risk trade. You can see here the options are up to 1110, 1120 right now. I bought those at 875, the 475 puts. Scaled out at 10 earlier to set up a no risk trade and was anticipating the lows of the day being taken out. The options are up to 1135 and we're breaking through this. So this is kind of a key area if you want to take base hit gains. This is kind of target number one. Again, there should be no risk right now for the trade in general. If we somehow don't bounce from here, then we could be heading down a lot lower. As I described, there are some gaps to fill down here in the lower 460s, and you can just watch structure at this point. But this was kind of the target number one. If we're just kind of bouncing around here and taking out liquidity in the overall uptrend, then this could be an area where it holds and reverses to the upside, but you're just going to have to watch 15-minute structure. Again, the play I was making was after seeing some of the failures early in the session was to take out this liquidity on the daily chart. You can still see here we're still above the halfway point of the prior day. We're still inside of yesterday, so we're still just consolidating inside this big selling tail that developed last Thursday. So it's tough to say, until we really get an inside day and then a breakdown maybe tomorrow, or maybe this really collapses and gets a 2 down day by the end of the day. That's all the way down in the below 460. You never know. But this could just be a short-term little taking out liquidity as well. But in terms of structure on the day, there's not much going on in terms of really knowing what's going to happen next, other than the fact that once I saw it fail a little early, I was kind of anticipating some liquidity taken out on the downside, even if we're going to head higher. So let's see what happens right now. This is kind of a key area to monitor, but this would have been the base hit kind of target, and we'll just see if it continues even lower on the day. It'll kind of be based on price action around this low here and what happens next.